Hello friends, work is such a wonderful thing.
One of the first things God reveals about himself in Genesis is that he worked.
As human beings created in God's image, we were also created to work.
And to find joy in it. So we made you a video so you can see what it's like to do a practical ministry here at YWAM Lausanne.
Here at YWAM Lausanne we do practical ministries, and it's a context where when work is done excellent, we view it as worship. And so anyone coming through our community here, we try to impart this value that work done with excellency, whether it's a mundane task to a high prestigious job, if done excellency, it can glorify God and be done as worship. Now think if people work like this, not just here but throughout the world, we would be changing and developing our communities to look more as God intended them, as we work and worship at the same time together.
Woo! So if you like that video, feel free to like it, comment, share it, and also check out these videos that we've done, the prayer day and the mannequin challenge. Hopefully you enjoy them.
It's filming.
If you like that video, feel free to comment, like it, share it. And we also have some other videos that we've done, like the mannequin challenge.
Prayer day.
Like that video, feel free to like it, comment, share it. Comment?
Yeah.
Comment on it. Just sounds like the reindeer.
Oh, comment. Comment.
Comment.
Okay.